Hi guys, today we're gonna discuss the most powerful and one of the most rare front-wheel drive Ford hatchbacks in the history. Ford Focus RS MK2 and why it is an awesome investment opportunity right now. Let's start with the fact that the car is extremely rare. There were about 11,500 cars ever produced. And that is a super car production volume. For example, Ferrari 458. Almost 16,500 cars produced. And as for Ford Focus RS of the second generation, now there are only 65 cars for sale in the whole Europe. And like with any hot hatchback, more than 50% of cars nowadays are tuned a lot. And that is not the best opportunity, of course, if you are going to buy a car for investment purposes. What about prices? They start from 23,000 euros. However, if we talk about a good condition car, then you will have to pay more than 30k. And that is a price of a new Renault Megane RS right now. Why this car is so expensive and so unique? Of course, because of its rarity and because the low production number. However, this car has a significant power for front-wheel drive hatchback. The 2.5 Volvo engineered engine from Ford Focus ST was modified and got a new Borg-Warner turbo. And in Ford Focus RS, it produces more than 300 horsepower. While most companies think that the maximum power that should be in front-wheel drive hot hatchback is not more than 250 horsepower. The acceleration from 0 to 100 takes only 5.9 seconds. Of course, that's not a great figures in general. However, for front-wheel drive, it is extremely fast. And as for the top speed, it is not limited. And the car can go up to 263 km per hour. Ford Focus RS is available in 3 colors. First of all, it is frozen white, the second one is performance blue, and the classic ultimate green from 1970s Ford Le Mans green. So what we can say about Ford Focus RS in general? It is extremely rare and extremely fun car that is already demanded by collectors. This model is especially popular in UK, where the culture of RS Fords is so widespread. These cars are still in common use both on roads and tracks, and that means that in next 5-7 years you can expect that the number of cars will decrease. Also, a lot of cars are out of the list for the collectors because of its extreme tuning. Because of that reasons, I believe that you can expect the price for about 50k, maybe more than 50k in the next 10 years for these classic hot hatchbacks. But what if you think that Ford Focus RS is not enough rare, enough powerful and enough crazy? Then there is an option for you. Ford Focus RS500. This special model can be any color you want if this color is matte black. Back to the history. All Focuses RS500 are painted in metallic black, and after that they are wrapped in a special 3M film that creates the matte effect. The Focus RS500 was launched in April 2010. And the number of production was limited only with 500 cars. The same engine in this special version produces 345 horsepower, which is absolutely crazy. Of course, you can now say that you can get 400 horsepower from the Golf GTI with some tuning, but this is absolutely another story. This is technologies from manufacturer. And that is a big difference. As for Ford Focus RS500, I believe that you wouldn't buy it. The reason is that now there are only 3 cars available on the whole European market, and the price starts from 60,000 euros. Please comment below what do you think about Ford Focus RS And also, are there any other hot hatchback in the modern times that are more interesting for investment than Ford Focus RS? Please press the like button if you like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you, see you soon.